Hi guys, welcome to Mamma Mia, the best cooking show on the internet. We got my homie over there. Say hi.
What's up?
Yeah. Alright, so today what we're cooking, I'm just gonna look through the fridge, see what the fuck I'm having, what the fuck I find, man. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's see here. Hey man, does anything here look good to you, man? Hi. Wait, what was that?
I didn't say shit.
Alright, let's see, we've got some fucking, it's pretty empty in here, motherfuckers. I don't know, man, shit. What about this, man? Ooh, damn, yeah, let's get some of this, man. This is some good shit right here, man. Let me show you this fucking blueberry soup. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know, hey, what do you think about that? Yeah? Yeah, right, hey. That's what's up, that's what's up. Alright, you know what?
That's what's up.
Usually, people go for bowls, man, when they want some
Fuck bowls.
Me? Fuck that. I'ma take a glance,
Yeah.
nigga. Yeah, look at this shit right here. Boom. That's what I'm taking. So, let's go back to the soup. Right here, man. Put that down. You can see right here. Hopefully I didn't show anything crucial. Let's pour this shit in. Look at this. You're gonna get like the best view. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh.
God damn.
Some niggas might say, this ain't cooking. Tell him.
Fuck that.
Yeah, right. He's right.
Yeah.
He's right. Yeah. Alright, thank you for watching Mamma Mia, the most
Mamma
professional
Mia.
cooking show on the internet. Peace. Say bye.
Bye.